Whenever people ask us what it is we do, we tell them we create. We create products out of nature by transforming iron ore into castings, forgings, and sintered parts. It's a number of steps in which we follow our customers' needs, starting from scratch, which often leads to complex products. And our clients know that we operate between the thin line of excellent quality versus the best price possible. They know that we're more than just a supplier. Although our products may look easily made, small mistakes can have enormous consequences. We therefore spend most of our time in what we call deep thinking in order to be perfect for our clients. And yes, we're proud of the many well-known names of our global client list. But we operate discreetly, so we don't expose the names of our customers. It's the trust we get from them that defines the way we operate. We just want to do things right.